Buenos dias! Goddess Shali here, Reiki Master, Reiki Practitioner, Aura Healer, and Tarot Reader. See, I got my tarot. Ooh, look at that. Nice card. Happy, happy card. Okay, so today I just want to talk about subliminals and how to use them. How to make them extra powerful, because I get a lot of questions about that. First of all, it can work right away. Okay? These subliminals, any wish, can work right away, depending on how much you feel it in your heart and how much you believe that it will work, that it will happen. If you can see it already, like you look in the mirror, you want to be, let's say you want to be beautiful. You look in the mirror, you're playing the subliminal on the side, that's just a helper. It's really your mind that we're working on here. You look in the mirror and you see your face already beautiful. You see that everything's perfect the way you want it. That's it. Or you feel rich. You feel that you have the money already. That's it. And then money just comes and you're luckier financially. And okay, so subliminals, it's a tool. It's something to help us use this mind over here. The mind. Actually, the mind is all over us. It's around us, okay? It's that knowing. So, okay. So subliminals, it's a tool. So the more you focus on it, the more you want it. But you can't want it. Let's see. How do I explain this? You have to believe that it's already there. You can't say, I want, because that's what you're going to get. You're going to get wanting. See? Wanting it and needing it. Like if you say I need. So you have to say, I have it already. It's already here. You feel beautiful already. And these subliminals, let it make you feel beautiful. Let it make you feel rich. Let it make you feel like you have it already. Then it will come to you. Law of attraction. Okay, another thing, I do have a meditation. And this should center you where you're not thinking about other things. And also I have a prayer of protection. So we'll start with that. Because you want to make sure that the energies you bring in are not negative energies. Okay, so you want it pure and positive. Just the things you want and just the things you need. Okay, so there is a prayer. You can say any prayer of protection that you know, or this one. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I'm a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I'm a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. Say it 3 times. I'm always surrounded by the white light of God. I'm a clear and perfect channel. Light is my guide. You can call Archangel Michael. He's a protector. So say, Archangel Michael, be with me, protect me as I clear my energy and call in the energies that I like to bring into my life, into myself and into my life. Okay, then feel it. Feel powerful. Feel protected. And then do the subliminals. And what I would do, the first time, I would watch it because I would watch it on the screen because I did write subliminal words on the screen there that your mind will pick it up. You don't need to read it. You can just look at it. Look at the screen because your subconscious mind will pick all the information on there. You don't have to worry about it as long as your eyes are open and you can see it and you have that intention to absorb it. It will be absorbed. Okay, so it's your heart wanting it, needing it, like it's that need, it's that want. Desire. That's a good word. It's the desire for it that will make it come sooner. And so it can happen like that. The first time you do it, it can happen already. And what you can also do is play it over and over again, which is what I do afterwards. At night, while I'm sleeping, you can actually, on YouTube, you can click on there, you can click loop. So if you click loop on that, it's on the lower right hand corner, there's a that little wheel that looks like a flower. You click on that and it would say loop. Click on loop and it would just play over and over and over again. So I would have several, maybe 8 subliminals playing over and over again at night. And then in the morning, you know, that's when you turn it off. But I have seen the changes like right away. Changes can go away if you doubt it. Let's say you ask to be beautiful, youthful, completely, you know, smooth skin, let's say. And then you play that subliminal over and over again at night. You look in the mirror and you're like, wow, I look different. And then you start doubting it. It's like, wait a minute. What happened? Didn't I used to have something over here? Before you know it, it's back. Because it's your mind. You put it back. Okay? So then you start over again. You play the subliminal again. You watch it. You play it over and over again. And until it settles in and you truly believe it. And then after a while, every time you look in the mirror, that's it. You do have that beautiful energy already that other people can see. So there you go. Namaste.